Hello guys, so finally it has arrived, my Tsukayu fatbob batwing. Let's unbox it. So this is how it looks after opening. Looks decent enough. This is the 8-inch clear windshield. The installation manual. There are 2 copies of it. This, I believe, is the bottom part of the batwing, which goes beneath the twin headlights. Keep it aside. This box here contains all the wire clips, the remote, the battery, and the mounting hardware. We got 4 clamps, a long wire. Let's just say what it is. This is all the wire clips, the remote, and the Nakamichi manual. This is the side clamps which go onto the forks and the screws. This is the aux cable and the 4 clamps. Keep it aside and focus to the main stuff, the batwing. Let's try to open it now. So here it is, out of the box. I will try to open it now. It looks wrapped and easy from outside. I'll open it and be right back. Extra padding on near both the ends to protect from damage. Looks well thought. This is after the external thing is removed. And here it is, all unpacked. Let's go through it. You see the edges. The packing was pretty solid. And it looks beautiful. We'll flip it over now. And these are the marine speakers. Overall, yep, fit and finish is very good. And this is the waterproof housing for the studio. Check. Yep, all good. Now, next step, install it on the bike and let's see how it rolls. Thank you.